homemade drinks to help you lose weight fast. Are you attempting to lose weight or better manage your weight? Including certain drinks in your diet can help you lose weight. In this video, we will look at some weight loss drinks and share some homemade drink recipes that can help you lose weight. 11 Best Drinks for Weight Loss. You may already be aware that when trying to lose weight, it is critical to eliminate certain types of drinks from your diet, particularly those with added sugars and a higher calorie count. One of the most important things to remember when trying to lose weight is to consume fewer calories and burn off more calories than you consume. IVR Weight Loss Banner. Certain drinks to lose weight can be beneficial when trying to lose weight and manage it better. These drinks can help you lose weight while also providing the necessary nutrition and improving your overall health. According to the American Diabetes Association, it is critical that you include some healthy beverage, such as water or any other healthy beverage, in your diabetes plate method plan to reap the most health benefits. This can also assist you in better weight management and provide you with some good options for weight loss drinks. Number 1. Water with ginger and lemon. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. According to some studies, it helps lower cholesterol and lowers the risk of diabetes. It is not, however, a replacement for medical or lifestyle therapy. You will require a small piece of washed and diced ginger cut into thin stripes, a glass of water, half a lemon juice, freshly squeezed, jeera, cumin, powder, roasted. Making instructions. In a blender, combine the ginger and water and process until the mixture is smooth. Pour this into a glass and top with lemon juice. Mix thoroughly. Mix in a pinch of roasted jeera powder once more. Your ginger lemon water is now ready to consume. Number 2. Water with jeera. Jeera, also known as cumin in English, contains a unique active ingredient known as thymoquinone. This is a very powerful and effective weight loss tool. Jeera also has high antioxidant properties, which are beneficial when trying to lose weight. Jeera is very low in calories and can help to increase your metabolism and digestion. You will require 1 teaspoon jeera, a cup of water. How to make jeera water for losing weight. There are 2 ways to make jeera water. You can soak the jeera overnight in a glass of water. Simply strain this in the morning and drink it alone or with the jeera. You can boil the jeera and water together in a pan. When the water has cooled, strain it and drink it alone or with the jeera. One of your homemade drinks for weight loss is now ready. Number 3. Water with cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to improve overall blood glucose levels and may aid in better glucose management. It also helps to reduce the effects of fat in the body and overall weight. You will require A glass of water. 2 tablespoons cinnamon powder. It's best if you can grind the cinnamon into a powder at home to avoid mixing the cinnamon. Making cinnamon water for weight loss. In a pan, heat the water and add the cinnamon powder while it is heating. Remove the water from the heat and set it aside to cool. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice once the water is lukewarm. Mix well and enjoy this powerful option from one of the weight loss drinks. Number 4. Water with mint and lemon. Mint is a very effective ingredient for weight loss or better weight management. Mint leaves can help to improve digestion and boost your overall metabolism. Mint is low in calories, making it an even better choice for weight loss drinks. Lemon can help you feel full, boost your metabolism, and stay hydrated. You will require a glass of water, a few washed mint leaves, lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Making instructions. In a saucepan, bring the water and mint leaves to a boil. When it reaches a boil, remove it from the heat and set aside to cool. Pour this water into a glass and top it with freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you don't want to eat the mint leaves, you can strain them out with a strainer, but you can easily eat the mint leaves to reap all of the benefits. Number 5. Sabza or chia seed water. Sabza ke dani, or chia seeds as they are more commonly known now, can aid in the reduction of belly fat. The good news is that sabza dani is widely available in local grocery stores and can be easily found to add to your weight loss drinks. You will require 1 teaspoon chia seeds, or sabza ke dani, a glass of water. Making instructions. Soak the chia seeds or sabza ke dani in the water for approximately 1 hour. Mix well and serve. You can eat it first thing in the morning, but you can also soak it in water overnight. You can also consume it an hour before your meal to ensure that you are satisfied and avoid overeating. Number 6. Tea with cinnamon or dalchini and black pepper. Dalchini, or cinnamon, helps to improve overall blood glucose levels and may aid in better management. It also helps to reduce the effects of fat in the body and helps to reduce overall weight. Black pepper contains a high concentration of piperine, a compound that aids digestion and increases metabolism. Lemon can make you feel full, boost your metabolism, and keep you hydrated. You'll need a cup of water, 1 or 1/2 cinnamon stick, a pinch of black pepper powder, half a freshly squeezed lemon juice. How to make cinnamon or dalchini and black pepper tea for weight loss. Bring the water and cinnamon stick to a boil in a saucepan. When it begins to boil, remove it from the heat and set aside to cool until lukewarm. Pour this into a cup now. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and black pepper to taste. Mix thoroughly and enjoy your homemade weight loss drink. Number 7. Water with methidana or fenugreek seeds. Methidana, also known as fenugreek seeds, is widely available and has long been used in Indian cooking. It is high in antioxidants and fiber, and it aids in the removal of toxins from the body. You will require a glass of water, a half teaspoon methidana. Making instructions. Allow the methidana to soak in the water overnight. Strain this water in the morning and drink it first thing in the morning. You can also have the methidana without straining if you prefer. If you find the taste too bitter, soak it for about an hour in the morning and serve it soaked or as is. Number 8. Fennel or sawn water. Sawn, also known as fennel, is a high-fiber food that can help you feel fuller for longer, avoid cravings throughout the day, and help you avoid overeating. You will require a glass of water, 1 teaspoon fennel or sawn seeds. How to make safflower water for weight loss. Place the sawn in the water and soak it overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it, or, if you prefer, drink the water alongside the sawn. Number 9. Sabza dana and lemon water. Sabza ke dani, or chia seeds as they are more commonly known now, aid in cooling your body. Lemon can make you feel full, boost your metabolism, and keep you hydrated. You'll need a cup of water, a half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick or half a dalchini, half a lemon, freshly squeezed, half a teaspoon honey, optional, half a teaspoon of chia seeds or sabza ke dani, and a cup of water to soak. How to make. Soak the sabza ke dani or chia seeds for at least 10 to 20 minutes in a cup of water. Meanwhile, heat another cup of water in a pan and add the jeera or cumin and dalchini or cinnamon stick. Boil until the water turns a brownish color. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool slightly. Keep this water in a glass after straining it. Mix in the lemon juice and honey thoroughly. Stir in the soaked chia seeds to ensure that everything is well combined. Take pleasure in your warm weight loss beverage. Number 10. UICE of amla and ginger. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, can aid in carbohydrate digestion. You will require 1/2 cup finely chopped amla, 1 teaspoon ginger, roughly chopped, 1 1/2 cups of water, 1/8 teaspoon rock salt. Making instructions. Blend in 1/4 cup water, the chopped amla, and the ginger until smooth. Strain the mixture into a glass. Add the remaining water and salt to taste. Mix well and drink right away. Number 11. Water with lemon. Lemon water is frequently promoted as a healthy beverage that may aid in weight loss, but it's important to understand that it's not a miracle weight loss solution. Weight loss is primarily determined by a combination of factors such as diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle decisions. Incorporating lemon water into your routine, on the other hand, can be a healthy choice because it can help with hydration and may provide a slight boost in metabolism due to its vitamin C content. Here is how to make lemon water. You will require 1 lemon, fresh, 8 to 12 ounces, 240,360 milliliters, water. Optional, for added sweetness, use honey or a small amount of stevia. How to make lemon water for weight loss. Select a fresh lemon. Check to see that the lemon is firm, bright yellow, and free of mold or blemishes. Rinse the lemon with cold water to remove any dirt or residue from the skin. Cut the lemon in half. Using a sharp knife, cut the lemon in half. Squeeze the lemon juice. Pour in the water. Fill the glass halfway with lukewarm or room temperature water, about 8-12 ounces, 240,360 milliliters. Sweeten, optional, to make it sweeter, add a small amount of honey or a pinch of stevia. Remember that adding sugar or honey will raise the calorie count. Stir well. Combine the lemon juice and water with a spoon. Fit or take. There are numerous homemade weight loss drinks that you can use during your weight loss journey and even after you have lost a certain amount to help you manage your weight better. However, keep in mind that these are not miracle drinks and will be most effective when combined with a healthy, balanced diet, an active lifestyle, and some exercise. These, when combined, can have a positive impact on your overall weight loss journey. If you are thinking about losing weight but are having difficulty doing so, don't worry. Our team of experts at Fitterfly can assist you. Our Fitterfly weight loss program was created specifically for this purpose.